Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live on the Gist Today.
Hey there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live on the Gist Today. NBC suspend Channels TV for speaking with IPOB. Let's check out the gist. Channels Television has been suspended by the National Broadcasting Commission, which also slammed a 5 million Naira fine against the news agency for allegedly breaching the broadcast code. The acting director general of the commission, Professor Armstrong Idachaba, who referred to Channels Television 7 p.m. live broadcast program of Sunday, 25th April 2021, in the letter addressed to its managing director, accused the TV station of allowing a leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, to make secessionist and inciting declarations on air without caution or reprimand by the station, contrary to the broadcast code. Idachaba alleged that the station allowed its IPOB guests to make derogatory, false, and misleading statements about the Nigerian army, despite being prescribed by a court of law. In case you missed the interview, here it is.
IPOB has released a statement reacting to the arrest and death of one of theirs. We caught up with the spokesperson of the group, Emma Powerful, and here is the telephone interview with him.
What can you tell us about what happened yesterday, the arrest and the death of a leader of IPOB?
They lied to the public that they approached, they enter our camp. Nigerian army can never in their life enter ESN camp. That is a promise. The guy went to his village. They ambushed him there. That was all.
Why did you say they can never enter your camp?
They cannot, because they don't have the wherewithal to enter there. They don't have the power.
And that's all we have for you today on The Gist. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.